Welcome to the instructions video for the Heat Capacity Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate thermal energy changes in any material. Whether you're determining how much energy is needed to heat water, sizing a thermal system, or solving thermodynamics problems, this calculator makes it easy. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter values for 3 of the 4 variables, and the calculator will solve for the unknown. Start by entering the mass of your material in kilograms. Next, input the specific heat capacity of the substance in joules per kilogram Kelvin. For water, this is approximately 486. Then enter either the initial and final temperatures or the temperature change directly in degrees Celsius or Kelvin. For our example, let's calculate the energy needed to heat 2 kilograms of water from 20 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius. After clicking Calculate, the results show the total heat energy required in joules, which equals 502,320 joules for this example. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.